just wanted to give you the latest as I'm taking this thing apart and adding the parts to it. You can see I'm working on the trunk now, and one of the things I'm taking off the back panel here is, that's one of the things in the brake lights. And one of the things that I've noticed is that these screws are loose, as though someone's been back here already that's been worked on the back of this car. I can see scratch marks where they've tried to pry something a little too hard in the paint, and the screws are really loose. And I gotta tell you, that's one of the negatives to buying a used vehicle, is that you really don't know what they've been tinkering around with your car. It's now your car, but it was their car, so you have no idea what's been they've done on their own to it. And it could have been detrimental. It could have been something where they tried to fix something that really was broke, and in order for it to not to be put on the Carfax through Carfax on the car, they did it themselves. And so one of the things that I did find out about this car was that there was gas tank work done on it. It wasn't done by a dealer. It wasn't done by a reputable auto shop, because it didn't show up on the Carfax, but that work had been done before. And so, and we think probably by a friend mechanic of theirs, where they were trying to screw around with the hose going to the gas tank, and that led to the issues that I had when I first purchased the car the first week. So I'll just show you a little bit here. I've also put the stripes down it, so you're going to see some cool looking stripes eventually on it. But I'm working on the back now. I'm going to get the brake lights done. I'm going to get the wing done so I can finish putting the stripes on the car and keep everything moving. So just making it all work here. We're just getting after it. So talk to you guys soon. All right, bye. Hey everyone, just want to give you another update on the car. I've installed the rear deck lid with my little Coyote badge on it. And while I was back here doing all of this, I think the car had an accident. I think it's had some work done back here. I think this trunk has been replaced. This spoiler that was on here was just 3M down. Does not look like a professional job in putting it down. The screws back in here, I can see there's like all these scratches and stuff back in here. There's been all kind of work back in here. These screws are been messed with, and so it's likely this thing has been hit. So and I don't know what kind of paint job this is. I don't think Ford would do that, right? Not properly spray paint this trunk on the inside. There's supposed to be screws when this spoiler was installed. They're supposed to be screwed in with 3M tape, but also screwed in, and there's no screws. I had to figure out the hard way with that. So again, one of the negatives to just buying a used vehicle, whether you're going to use it for fun purposes or to give to your kids, you don't know what's been done to that car. You don't know who snuck around and has had work done on it, and it's not on the Carfax. So just wanted to give you guys that update as I continue working. All right. I just got the brake light taken out. Oh, it's getting fun. It's getting fun. We're getting there. We're getting there. Where are my things? Hold on, where do they go? Oh my gosh. Here they go. Here they go. Oh yeah. I can't wait. I can't wait. It's gonna look hot. It's gonna look hot. Can't wait. Can't wait. Alright, peoples. Here we go. They working. Piece of cake. Oh, it's coming along. It's coming along pretty nice. Pretty nice. All right, everybody, back at it again. Working on man, I've got this issue with this damn 3M glue from that spoiler that was put on here. Again, you don't see any holes here drilled into the deck lid. I'm using glue gun, I'm using a drill, I'm using correct grit sandpaper for this application, so I don't mess up too bad through the clear coat, WD-40, all kinds of stuff in order to get this glue off the back of this car. And the car is looking good. You know, I just can't wait until we get the wing on. So that's going to happen today, but you know, this is a long process here, and you want to do it right. You want to do it slowly. You don't want to damage, obviously, your paint job here. So we're just taking our time, getting through it, and it's just one of the necessary things. I'm going to go through the same thing here when I take off these fake, I don't know what you call those things, but they're fake anyway, and I got to take them off, and I'll probably be going through the same process with them. So I better get it right back here so I know what I'm doing on the side as well. So, all right, just checking in. Bye. So I've got the wing on. So it's bolted on, and as you can see, it's on. So I'll be working on getting this trunk cover back on, and then putting a striping on it, and keep moving forward. I hope you guys are working on your cars. All right, bye. All right, everyone, I'm back outside. The day has cleared up. It's beautiful out here. What I'm working on today is I put in the JLT oil separators, passenger and driver's side. I'm about to start working on the hood stuff, on the vents for the hood, and then start working on as well putting in the new cold air intake box. Then I'll need to get it retuned, and so through my SCT tuner, and we'll keep pushing along here. So just checking in, letting you guys know where we're at. All right, talk to you soon. I just want to give you the latest update. I'm now working on the cold air intake. Got it wrapped up, taking out the old one. I'm getting ready to put in the new one, and you know, keep working at it. You know, this doesn't take long. You know, it just takes a little focus, and we can all do this. Talk to you soon.